Hi, sixth graders. So what I want to do is give a brief introduction about what's happening next week, and then also through this video give you a tip of how to work with Mr. Wallace's video. So Mr. Wallace this week is going to be our guest teacher, teaching you about seasons. So in the updates, you will see basically what I have here on the screen. Virtual class still is going to be the discussions board through Schoology Q&A that happens on Wednesdays, 10:30 to 11:30. It's a nice little pocket of time. If you want to just focus on science, you can do that. And then I am virtually present. You can ask me questions on the spot, and then I'll answer them and get back with you. However, if that time doesn't work for you because it's optional, you may message me through Schoology anytime throughout the week. So for the weekly assignment, what's going to happen next week is you've got there's two 5-point graded assignments. There's a seasons quiz that is hooked up through Schoology straight to Skyward. And then there is the 5-point graded seasons human simulation. You're going to be using your bodies to demonstrate or model the seasons. If you should have trouble creating a video for that, you are more than welcome to use a different platform. What you will see under that assignment for the video human simulation is specific directions, but using any recording device, you're going to demonstrate the season. So on your phone or whatever you're comfortable with, you can upload it through Schoology though, and then I'll be able to observe it that way and grade it that way. So Mr. Wallace has pretty specific directions for you regarding that. Okay, now let's go into his video. Whenever you log into his video, what is going to happen and what you might have noticed at the bottom of my screen. Hi. So what you might have noticed is down at the bottom, you might lose your toolbar down below. If you lose this toolbar down below, I'm going to go ahead and click on Wallace's video, so you might hear him talking at the same time. Down here, very vague, you will see the icons. Click these 3 circles and then screen, show taskbar. As soon as you see that taskbar down below, then you've got access to it. When you are scrolling or when you are listening to his video, you will pause it and maybe have a chance to connect to a link. I'm going to tell this has been quite, so when this video comes up, you might get a warning like this. That's okay. Go ahead and click yes, Microsoft. It's fine. If he should stop talking, then you know something's background. So what's happening in the background, obviously, is this YouTube is opening up. So you will wait patiently for the YouTube to obviously open up. Then I'm going to wait patiently for the video to open up. You know patience is my specialty, right? Yeah, we got that, sixth graders. All right. You can hear it trying. Okay. So then once you watch video, then you go ahead and click out of it. Screencast-O-Matic's acting a little bit differently. You won't have this open when you are doing your lesson because you're not going to have to video record yourself. So then you hitting the pause Wallace. My YouTube is opening back up. So Mr. Wallace has for you other video links. I'm kind of clicking through his video just so we can get to my other point. So you might have lost your toolbar below. Make sure that you go to Screen, Show Taskbar, and then again you'll be going into the links. Click the link once. Otherwise, it's going to be loading some different windows in all of this. Key is if you need. All right, so I go ahead with Mr. Wallace in the background. I'm going to go because that is basically where you need to. Okay, so keeping in mind the 2 weekly assignments you're going to be graded on is the season's quiz that you'll take at the very, very end, and then the simulation of the videos. Mr. Wallace's video is basically your class, so you need to watch all of it in its entirety. I gave you details here, but follow along with Mr. Wallace's season's lessons video. It takes a few minutes to load. Be patient. Complete things as they go through the video. You'll do a lot of watch, listen, and then pause and go to the link. You'll be drawing models. You'll be answering, different types of things where you'll want to have paper in front of you. Make sure you're in a quiet space because, like for this example, you had me talking and him talking at one point, but his video will just be his. All right. So basically that's it for week 6 lesson. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Please remember a couple things. Any assignment that you see in Skyward that's 0, it's okay to turn it in late. There are no penalties for late work with virtual distance learning. So get those assignments in. If you do submit an assignment, send me a message if I haven't graded it. So if it's a late assignment, I might have missed it because that was 2-3 weeks ago. So send me a message. Hey, Miss Kinsella, I went ahead and I did that, whatever it was, 3 weeks ago. I don't quite remember right now. But then also, if you submit an assignment and it's on time, but you didn't follow the directions, you didn't show me that you have the learning that you need to have, then I will regrade it. But you have to send me a message because Schoology does not alert for resubmittals. So if you've got questions about your grade, message me. Tell me what the assignment is and what action you've done about it. I redid it. I did it. Those will just kind of help me keep track. Make sure I'm up to date with what you're up to date with. Grades are typically graded on Fridays. They've sort of asked at the district that maybe we wait till Monday to see. So by Tuesday, my grade book should be pretty much up to date, if not sooner. So anyway, I miss you, 6th graders. I hope you're all doing well. Even send me a message of a little hi. I'd love to hear from you. All right. Bye, you guys. Take care.